stay awake.
We're going to start out like this. 8 plus 25 plus 11 plus 356 plus 19. All right, I'll give you a minute to write that down. Now let's say you don't have your calculator. What should you do?
Arrange it. Arrange it.
Highest to the lowest?
Yeah, I would say do it vertically. It's usually a little easier.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Do it like that. Now, usually where people make mistakes is they don't keep these columns aligned correctly. So if you want to draw a line in between here to separate one column from another, that could be a technique that's more advantageous. Now, usually when we check this, we're going to add from the top down, and then we're going to check it by going from the bottom up. How many people have been taught that way?
Bottom up. Yeah, yeah,
You add from the top down first,
yeah.
and then you check it by going from the bottom up.
Yeah.
Right? So we go what? 8 and 5, this is 13. Lost my marker here. Plus 1 is 14. Plus 6 is 20. Plus 9 is 29. So we put a 9 here, and we bring the 10s up over there. Okay. Let's check that just for accuracy. 9 plus 6 is 15. Plus 1 is 16. Plus 5 is 21, plus 8 is 29. That checks out. All right, we're good as far as that first column goes. Let's go to the next one. We got this 2 that we carried over, so it's 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, plus 5 is
10,
plus 1 is
11.
All right, so we'll put the 1 here and put the other one there.
That's
Okay. Now, let's check that out. Let's start from the bottom up. 1 plus 5 is,
6,
plus 1 is,
7,
plus 2 is,
9,
plus 2 is,
11.
so 11 and 1. All right, so that works out. We double checked it, so we're good. Well, this last column's easy. It's just 3 plus 1, which is 4. And 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 3 plus 1 is 4. So we get 419. Okay. Most of you probably were taught to add in that way. Is there an easier way to do it?
Well, I put the highest number first, the 356,
Okay.
and then the 25, and just go down like that. 25, then 19, then 11, then 8.
So you just change the sequence with the
Yeah, the
highest to lowest.
sequence, yeah, yeah.
I found people find this way is easier. Take 8 and put 25 here. Then go like this.
Oh, yeah, I've done it that way too,
So they go,
yeah.
8 plus 5 is 13, so they put the
Yeah.
3 here and 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3.
Three.
You got 33. You check it again, it comes out
Yeah.
to 33.
That's-
Now what do they do? Bring the 11 over here. So instead of going the whole column, they're going sequentially, one number at a time.
Yeah.
Some people find it easier. So let's say 3
44.
3 plus 1 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. That's good. 3 plus 1 is 4 again. All right, so we have 44. Since we go up down the 11, the next number we have to bring down is the 356. Okay.
10,
After we got that down, 6 and 4 is 10. 0, 1. 6 plus 4 is 10 also. That works out, yes.
yeah.
I'm sorry, I just got a message from the school saying that I'm not here.
All right. Don't worry about it now. At break time, we'll straighten it
Okay.
up. All right, so now we carried the 1. 1 and 4 is 5, plus 5 is 10.
Mm-hmm.
0, 1.
And 4.
5 and 4 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 10, that works out. 1 plus 3 is 4, so we got 400.
Yeah.
Now we got to add the 19, right? And this is just going to be
419.
419. It's easy to add any number to 0.
Gotcha, okay.
So that's 2 methods you could use to solve this. Yeah, that first digit is a 0. What should we do first? Yeah, make it vertical, right? But I would say on here, do we really have to add 0?
No.
All right, so let's not waste time, right? So we'll cut that out. So we're going to go like this. 8, align the columns, 11, 7. If you wanted to, you could put a 0 here if you need a placeholder. 9, 10, and 5. problem, Robin?
I just like doing it better, the highest to the lowest. It's more aligned that way.
Like I said, it's technically sound. You're not changing anything by changing the
No.
order in addition.
No.
So if it makes you happier to put 10 here instead of 8, put 10 here. It's all right.
I will. Okay, thank you.
All right, let's add this up. 8 and 1 is 9. 9 and 7 is 16. 16 and 9 is 25. 25 and 5 is 30. 0, 3. Let's try it from the bottom up. We don't have to add this, so 5 and 9 is 14. Plus 7 is 21. Plus 1 is 22. Plus 8 is 30. That checks out.
Yep.
3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 5. Doesn't matter, so this is 50. Quicker to check the second method too. There's another method I have. This is method 3. I don't like to teach it because sometimes it can be confusing.
Okay.
Let's try this. Let's say we had 23. Let's say we had 12. Let's say we had, and say we had to add that. This is method 3. You don't have to do it this way, but I've seen people do it this way. What they will do is they'll look at this column,
Right.
and they're going to say, it's easy to add any combination of 10, right? So the first thing they're doing, instead of starting here, they're going to say, let's go like this. 7 and 3 is 10. And 2 and 8 is 10.
Yeah.
So it becomes 20.
Yep.
0, 2. Quick check, 7 and 3 is 10. 8 and 2 is 10. Now, if there's some other combination that doesn't add up to at 10, maybe you're at 30 or something, you get 33, 35, 37. That's another method of doing it,
Right.
of adding. In addition, the order doesn't matter. You could add in any order. The only thing you got to remember is make sure you hit each term and don't hit any term more than once. So there is a little latitude on what you're doing. Let's look at the other column. Here, we can start with the 2 and group that with the 8, which is 10.
10. Yeah.
Then we can come over here and group the 1 and the 9 together, which is 10.
10.
So now we got 10 plus 10 is 20. That's easy to do. Plus the 2 remainder. So that's what? 22.
22. I like
I
that.
got 220. So that's your third method of adding. This one may take a little more practice to do. And the more numbers you have,
Yeah.
the more, it may be a little harder. If you got multiple columns, it may be a little more difficult. But that's another technique. All right, everybody done on this one? All right, what do we have to do here? 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. We don't have to carry anything over. 3 plus 9 is 12, plus 8 is 20. 0, 2. Let's do it the other way. 17 and 3 is 20. That's the same. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 606. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6. All right, it checks out. How many people got that answer correct? Good, very good. Story is on this one. What do we have here? 7 plus 6 is 13, plus 9 is 22, plus 6 is 28.
28. Yeah.
Let's see, 9 and 6 is 15, plus 6 is 21, plus 7 is 28. All right, that works out.
Yeah.
You agree, Rob?
I do.
Okay, thank you. All right, 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 6 is 13, plus 3 is 16. 6, 1.
Yep.
This is 9. This is 14. This is 16. 168. How many people got that correct? All right, good. How many people are still working? Nobody. Okay. Let's do this. 9 and 3 is 12, plus 2 is 19, plus 1 is 20.
Yep.
Let's go the other way. 8, 17, 20.
7.
Is that what you?
Is that 7 or 2? I got
I said 7.
That's a 7.
You said 2.
I said 2.
Yeah.
Really makes
No.
carry two.
You didn't say that.
12,
Carry the 2.
19, 20.
You carried
Over
the
the
2.
two.
Well, yeah, that's what I meant, 2. Sure.
Oh, okay. I wrote it down wrong.
That won't give you the right answer then.
Okay. I told you.
All right. We confirmed it was 20.
Yes.
We don't have to add these two, so it's 20 plus 1 is 3, plus 8. 20
5.
plus 1 is 3, plus 5 is 8. I'm getting a little ahead of myself there. Too much coffee. Let's go the other way. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. That works out. We don't have anything to carry this time. 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 5 is 17, plus 7 is 24.
24, I'm sorry, 21. What am I
You're trying to break my
I'm
continuity,
tricking
Robin.
you up. I'm checking on you.
Let's check it again.
Okay.
Did I check this one?
No.
12, 15, 24. That works
Okay,
out.
I got that.
All right.